Hello guys, today I've got the Edifier W280NB Pro headphones and I'm going to show you all the controls in your headphones. So actually we have got many of controls here. Let's start with the call section. Here let's start with the multifunctional button. As you can see, it's right here. If you click at this once, you can finish the call. If you click it 2 times, you can decline the call, or if somebody is calling you, you can click it once to answer the call. And the same works with this button right here, this middle one. The same thing actually occurs. Click once to decline to end the call, click twice to decline the call, and click once to answer the call. Now we can go to the music section. If you click this minus button over here or plus, you can adjust the volume. Plus, minus. Here, apart from that, if you click this, hold this, you can move the song to the previous one, and the plus, you can go to the next song, so skip. And if you want to play and pause the music, just click the middle one. Apart from that, here you can switch the modes, like ANC, etc. Let's move back to this multifunctional button. Here, it's actually based on the application, because in the application called Edifier Connect, you can edit that, but here, as you can see, wait a moment, here, we can edit the ANC. Like if we click this once, we can switch between these options. Now it's high, now it should be ambient sound, and now off. You can edit this in the app, what you edit actually, but it's like this. And if you hold this button over here, click it 2 times, you'll switch to the game mode. As you can see, game mode off, game mode on. And that's it. Goodbye.